Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to nurture TikTok accounts. Here is our TikTok software interface. You can assign a separate proxy for each account, for instance. This is to ensure the safety of your accounts. Additionally, it helps you manage your TikTok account space, that's all. You can add as many accounts as you want to use. To nurture your accounts, go to the account interaction section. Just imagine, whatever a real person can do, our software can do exactly the same. Here it is. Click on add script, then just select a new scenario. For example, you can add a new script. Do you see this general interaction section? Scrolling feeds, watching short videos, liking, sharing, and commenting. Our software mimics real human behavior, and if you want these accounts to better match your target audience, just click on the interaction by keyword section. There, then you enter the keywords you want. For example, here you can enter keywords like cosmetics or something like makeup, that kind of thing, so that it interacts more precisely with your target audience. That's it. Because I also imagine that, when we're watching TikTok, right? For instance, say I'm interested in cosmetics. First, I scroll through the newsfeed, then I visit the search page to load related videos and stores. Finally, it returns to the newsfeed section. So I can guarantee that the first 5 to 10 videos, your first 5 to 10 videos will all be mainly about cosmetics and makeup or beauty in general. That's how you can make sure these accounts are accurately targeted to your customer segment. Exactly. After that, you can interact directly with the UID section. For example, you can input your UID here so it interacts with your UID section. You can like, comment, share posts, or leave any kind of comment. All of that can be done. Yes, after you're done, you just need to click the save button and that's it. The software will automatically save all your information for you. That's it. So for example, this is a nurturing feature, right? And in addition, you can also post videos, functions, and photos. This feature can also help you nurture your account. That's right. Because remember, now when you go into the live stream session to boost interaction for your accounts, those live sessions, but if those accounts don't have any videos or don't have any following activity like following other people, then it will look very fake. That's it. So in this software, there's a feature called video posting that helps you improve that. You just need to upload the video here. You select this select video option, then click save and just choose all the options here. That's it. In the previous video, I already gave a detailed guide on this part. Now let's go back to the account interaction section. Then you select the desired accounts, choose the script you just created, and then just start. Software runs automatically.